Yama obi biara kwa baba Ashanti Heritage and Tourist Guide on Facebook. Yana Ashanti Heritage TV or YouTube. And Ashanti Heritage TV no answer or TikTok. Medinde Nana Kweku Eduse. Mefa akonya so na maboy ramen chef kesim na meshira do tikru ne kare ne brawe ngoma so. Santi Maira iboni dia na mama me muso. One na akona du yadom. Santi hima nufutabraba Santimai na enoma no ene Ghana nkemfu nyina enoma no na mabuhwi yakọ asankare na makọ chiame ame maame na abena achirewa owo me ene asankare traditional council nyina na machia ba foko amoaten ya chene otumfo achempanyi oni ne nuanom na akasen na amesa bonsu one na Dormaahene na akwabrenti. Quick one. Videos be air circulate and out of late assembly news be air circulate na amount for air send be a day my Ashanti Heritage and Tourist Guide and Ashanti Heritage TV. Yen can't want some kakra.
Jesus.
It's quite unfortunate. Say, yenia brekum ni ye santini. Kofi Adoma and Magraheb. Sa asem na tono. We are all wishing him well. Say, na mebe kana ho na. The atono no we free mu na nyame asane yare na sebe ebru sebe nyaado yenua Kofi Adoma and Magraheb oye santini oye brekumni die na definitely oye santini yenua Magraheb a one Kofi Adoma call program na okohia no na kwanhia no ono so aye nkuransani yemusa ade kakra bi se Kofi Adoma and Magraheb yewura animonyam sha o sha santeman emebi ka Ghana o kwa abrochire Queen wuye yeto yensa flare no okọ UN Parliament ono mu din komo US Parliament no mu din komo ne adade nyina no Kofi Adoma and Magraheb asantini people ensu Kofi Adoma on postu Kofi Adoma dwen se obrekum okabono enti chese yewura santen ya de oye onu nso wura ya de kura na Kofi Adoma on postu yen Magraheb enkransa man hene se biobro no ani krom hene obesusi bibia che yewura onka ho hwe woni post asabi obru se benyado yewura yesum na wu enti se wo ye santini na so obe ho kwametua ese wa wo ye santini na so obe ye kwametua ese wa yewura de yenimo amanfo adi na chi a wo hwe won free wono mu a eni na chi kura no enya ne hinkwafo kura no maybe scholarship eco schools or maybe scholarship ye nyuma nanka eka Dubai konkon ade a ka yewura de sabi eblu osom ne sompa ana ono kwampo na edu be ko Dubai sompa na do be ko Dubai akosho yale hie nua Kofi Adoma oye brekumni nti oye nua nti asam to na ya asam to Kofi Adoma ya nua no asantefo a mo wo mea ebi wa bunu east bono uwa bunu east na ya asante a uya asante uwa bunu mantem nim na ya asante a uya asante because asante no it goes beyond the Asante region. The whole of afu nyina esantefo part of bono abrekum Kofi Adoma wani krom enche bia na yewura asante ekọ ho ekọ hye nimonyam ekọ hweye ema ekọ pebrekum hene korabe nti ade na efesese bi ebru se benyado Kofi Adoma wura ne santene na oya ado nwanwaso a obe post dia 2 page enso Kofi nye Kofi onye enso baabi a ukodi akire Kofi baabi a ukodi akire Sabi ebru enipa otan sikadwa de otan sikadwa wo otan muni ho ade nyina de obe bia na ne fe de otan sikadwa otan ho ne ho ade nyina to we santini a obi otan sikadwa otan wo santini no eye abebu ebo mpa na nanom ebe say nua Kofi Adoma yare ye nua nom nyina so ye fantu ye hofu fantu ye hofu obi otan sikadwa tan santehene otan santini bia otan sikadwa ho ade bia Dormaahene se Magraheb say obi say ye friend mama boss say wan hwan o kan sem hunu ensema enim o kan afina Magraheb ena wuchi achirim ena Dormaahene mudie ti asem kra na Dormaahene so ka
Chironi akọ baby wona walk o sena na Dormaahene invite wukunu no kre.
This same woman in the third video talk about the fact that Dormaahene kra no kind of didn't even invite, Kofi.
Was when we asaya kansam say I na Najma Bedu or Saja Forma or Hini bi eba be hwe wukunu a wo hene ne kra wate say wu maame ye de yente so hini bi ewu
again nipa we say no talk out of onim hwe like that is how I make put no so onima on free him fie ho bi no misa say if say ni nana kan ye no there was actual truth or false to it nana Dormaahene ne jere friend nana ka kire ni say sa hene na I was there lender friend nana ka kire ni say nana na film or ka kire me friend me ka kire me so if you don't know then clearly it's like
Kofi Adoma asem ne sa na ya asem kase anko otimi tena ase bia ka side na ko hospital kra no na wukunu pese obekọ enso waka se wukunu minimini na wukunu ye dey adan.
That was never true. It never happened like that. Time I didn't see I wanted to take Kofi to the hospital Minnesota Kofi driver and then he say it drew on I think it's Sanahene Dormaahene so on one kasa be drive Kofi Dormaahene came and a Kofi tena ya me di Kofi achi and they call hospital. So if you're talking about the fact that it's happening, Kofi say, oh no, it didn't happen like that. Again, means there are footages there. Kofi starting from the neck to the face, everywhere was bleeding. And you talk about the fact, say, oh, come on.
Say somehow to watch that chema wo pese o ka chese domafo e na wa ante ko obia e na obi amfre no maame adan dia no wo pese wo pese nka benye dan ana no pese nka benye adwabo no ne banka say etuo se wukuni etuo no say ya tuo paare bo wukuni na enka na ya de abeti ndi nsuo kura hohoro
we no medical actually that the reason why there was that long delay from say when I didn't happen to when wo kura wo hwe video bi out ho asem because of the relationship Kofi actually knows Dormaahene according to kakra minim no nyina na tetema the same space ni fie ni a Dormaahene fie ni so they know themselves like that what you say so if bit is happen na kwatanka ebia ono na to na nko be pese Dormaahene na busuafo be yama no the same courtesy no de ma Dormaahene by the end of the day there are expectations of radia ebia wo pe but at the end of the day ebia happen that way what you say kind of something similar happen what I say
now him a wotie akonya so wa betena se e na ya the video photo de becha ada won kwan oba be call videos no me kura me wo bi taba be di nsuo gu kunu so nyina no me wo bi me so de ba abontina me yi ni nyina de aba
ne angry nyina ni se ni nsuo de wo Kofi no because of that in Kofi was okay and if say ya dey be serious and can soon ntimi ho obi a no gina wa at the time mumisa ye hohoro na mu jeba not just in the ninkwan from the neck to the forehead and you are there talking. You were not even there. Send me a video so for a car. We are saying him can say Mrs. Takra no could be sad and say ne what to say. You should to be when a name ne near car. And then so could be sana at that moment, the person who don't even know where he is. And then you are talking about what? And I'm a could be sad and saying what to say. Oh, just say this makes no sense. And this is not just coming from Krankra, Penny Fu Ankasa. Young third video.
Ebusiafo Kofi Adoma Dubai na bede no call ye no. Osaje for se ade ni chiaka.
Dubai na bra Kofi ene ne yere call ye no. Osaje for Dormaahene ne one person akura nim. At least from what I know. Ne during the time no mo call ye no. Nana one see the nim. Again, this woman, I don't know who she is, but whatever she is saying, Baby, I and factually is entirely wrong. If so they feel like I am lying, they should do a video, not just woman, because everything she says is a lie. From Dormaahene, penny for her, they are penny for there. They can actually talk to the fact to say, if say Dubai na break of in a year coin. If said Dormaahene any more muscan, try to take it more coin. Nana actually did the video, explained exactly how, because of the severity of the situation, now yes, one can say take it no come or modeko. And then you are there talking about say or Sajefun.
Kofi Adoma share oba on na won 9. Say wo ye sikani, oja ni be ware wo on the wabo bako.
When I hear this argument now, I feel like okay, you don't know the woman, so it's fine. You don't know what you are talking about, basically. So you can go ahead and say whatever you want. But if the moment I hear this argument, so Jai or Bow, you don't know what you are talking about.
Osaje for ni try take it to Kofi Adoma go Dubai.
Nope. Not true.
Maybe I want to hear audio swa. Mensa can my friend Dormaahene play that say.
And then she went ahead and said, "Oh, audio sir, a trese. Dormaahene a tia for Bra Kofi and then according to her, the audio is from Dormaahene. I don't know Dormaahene, Nishiane that. I don't know his voice. So if they say Dormaahene, what are you saying?
Asamoya, Mami Eke, Dormaahene. You throw a boy in my Tibet. And when you mean, I don't miss a for no, or more analysis for me. Only 2 months. 2 elder come so by what they say. And what of Tima, a 2 hours so what you bring a meta. I can't pardon. And maybe good and say, I think so, be a good ending. And yes, be our people to do their component.
Again, my name Dormaahene. Dormaahene was distinctive voice. I would tell you Dormaahene is Dormaahene. I don't know. If the Dormaahene na ekasaya, then you went there. As something happened, I think 3 days later, I would say once. You have no idea what happened. And yeah, it's true. Say actual tune and commodity break Kofi at that time now. Okay, we're right now.
By coincidence, maybe Bessia, Robertson, if you can see what you say, when you turn to Corona or to bone him. Then
as something happened, and based on communications, I buy from Dormaahene to break Kofi Ankasano. He didn't even know that did not happen. He had to actually go find it out. And if say I don't know when or your audio is into this woman, if say indeed they or not, you went there. What happened? You had no idea. So you probably on your first-hand knowledge of what happened. Because Dormaahene during the time, no break of the interview, and then Dominic buy a break of the sorry, so could take it that coverage and then come back to the interview. So Dormaahene was sitting there. So probably for real information as to what happened then. Besides Dormaahene, not Dormaahene, because Dormaahene was not there.
If you are a papa, it means a crowd. Good people be on ground. A grandpa and them say so many. Our mother can't send me a issue. Oh, bomb timpo, Sabia, a fashion and has a rabia, can be busy and not BS. That's how one incident is seen. I got a so wow, we are here. Whoever cast and no harm, or just a two body.
And if indeed this is Dormaahene, then Medina Nahoyapa, because again, you knew Bra Kofi even before I said we be here. So if we be on what that type of relationship will be seen out and you play down the severity of it like this, again, and I don't know if truly, because this woman clearly can lie. So if this is from Dormaahene there, then one year there.
It will only have it matters. And incident be the sea. And that's is quite a yato, was I for so Ariam or Nako, the fencing. Dubai or Makosaya, the only number after a mobile portion cry. And she way at the Pia, kind of farmers so cry at the Massa. When you have Shibia, but incident business, Timoma, your bomb pile can't say what day.
At this point, I am even doubting that this audio is from Dormaahene, because I know it's Dormaahene opinion. I think I know of his pictures and then the video. I think Dormaahene call US or now don't share. I think that was Dormaahene there. So I know at least of him, but me name the voice that much to identify is okay way on one and say no one. But if you are talking about this matter this way, the distance between Kofi and the gun was like this. It's not even this big, it's like this. I can say, it's a 20 friends and Tiabo friend. You know, say a long gun, and your person, I can say, any baby in a baby is into the end, the tip of the gun was like this. Kofi was like from this wall. One boom. Like this. So, and you know, that Kofi at all, Nippon shoot was shot. So already the gun was already. I really hope I can show you this video right here, right now. Put the audio now. He was talking about the fact that Nana did not go to Dubai. Nana didn't do anything. Nana didn't take anybody to Dubai. And I'm not saying anything about Nana Hufi. Nana is a church. So what he cares about, and I know say is truth. And everything I'm saying in this video is truth. Everything I'm talking about, you can cross-check. I can give you numbers. I will bet me from. Bet me afre Doma Palace Abampre there say, if I'm not mistaken. Bet me afre anyone there. My catch or Dormaahene at the hospital. Time a real emergency. What Doma I think it's a Presby hospital. Like share Dormaahene saw what happened on the break of it when they came. Break of it back. There was I think the towel one face towel nibi. Katanenim like. All these things happened, and you say the fact that you have a TikTok account and I say a Facebook account, doesn't mean say you can't see be a father man and you're there. So you have to kind of do something to rubbish idea actually, which is bad. This was not just the video, and I said these people now have videos about it. There were even live videos. One of my guys, Big Shaky, was Sunday kind of screen recording of live video be on TikTok. People talking about. So say if the break of any back on the left and out back, like right and say some of these people, all because say break of the video talking about the fact to say Asante Fosu Musu Chrome Tum for it's a DBS a bonfo training is here. So if anyone was going to get pissed off about that, it should be bonfo. And even that, we are bunia, you should take it as a positive and try DBS are what trying to implement it. But right now people don't care about the truth. They care about if there's a memo this corner. Be at that corner, or if you are not part of my corner, then you are against me. That is not it. When it comes to Ghana, one of the most fairest journalists that we have, that is him. Imagine say DSC will fear. Now, sabi, what the bicycle will be on Quancha and Korana, Senipan, or catch the name of you many pan if you come and just over at least a PZ, Nippon or the bike you are born on and make sure say, hey, beer, say, pry and then buye crana. You make sure that person is okay. All these things happened. What you say? Then I gave you time. Send at least me a year. Now I'm not saying that Dormaahene was or will never do anything. I'm just telling you that some of the videos now also online. Some of them need some kind of because you ever find it.
Voice note to Magraheb. Why would church him? Also, was him. Who church him? But no more so course our program. Oh, and Chechemu bia na Dormaahene ediaba. Ene ono sama ma baby o sama wani bi no. When the rega or the cancer similar chemwa. Satufua eyemwa. The Samoa ya bompaye ese nana nom ese sikadwa. So Kofi Adoma or Santini o twinimu ene betin pe o sikadwa se tina no mo no ban no ofiriwe mu fi a for the beye asuade ye de obi ase akramu why